Welcome to SkyrocketMySuccess.com again. Well, sometimes we just need to do one thing and everything is updated. Well, the everything was a website, a blog, and of course Facebook and Twitter. You do not want to manage so many things at one time, but this time I'm going to tell you how to actually use email to an account, and automatically your blog is being published. So let's try that. This is pretty simple, and I have a few blogs here which I manage. So I'll just get one not so popular blog here, something I just left last year, and I click on that on the settings part, and I'll just click on email, and you can see here the posting option. You can email posting address, you can put a secret word there. It could be like a secret word test, and publish emails immediately, or you want to save it as draft, or you can disable it. Alright, so basically I'll just do that and save setting, and I'm going to try this very soon. fredjeff.test@blogger.com. I'll just go to email now, and I compose an email, and that was just now test@blogger.com, and we'll do just that. Test blog post, and we'll just leave the content there. We're just going to show an example. Okay, so I'll just go back to blog and click on view blog, and that's it. Test blog post. Enjoy.